my channel, and thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to be doing a favorites video, and this is actually going to be one of those favorite videos we're going to call January favorites, but to be honest, it's going to be like the last couple of months favorites. You know that I don't do these very often, and it's because how many favorites can one person have, like every single month? So for me, we do these very strategically and very sporadically, so I hope you enjoyed this month's because it's going to be a wide variety of different things. Alright, so before we get going, hit that subscribe button, share this video if you think somebody might like it, and let's do it. Alright, loves, so the first one I'm going to mention is not going to be a shocker. It's going to be another QVC made me buy it. I am almost out of this, and I am obsessed. If you guys have not tried the Josie Maran Argan Sugar Body Balm, or Balm Body Scrub, this makes my skin feel so amazing. And I actually will attribute my KP going away more than it has in the past after using this. And I think it's because, obviously, it is because of that hydration and gentle exfoliation. I don't usually have to wear even a body moisturizer after this. I mean, I choose to because it's in the winter months, but it is so hydrating. If you guys have not tried this body butter, it is so fantastic. It is an exfoliating sugar scrub. It smells absolutely delicious. And I have anxiety because I'm running out of it and I need to order more. And I have the scent Vanilla Fig. It's so good. Alright, so for the second one, it is going to be something that I wholeheartedly wear every single day. I think you've heard me talk about it in every single video, and it's my Ana Luisa jewelry. And I literally link it in every video in the description box. It's not an affiliate link, but they do give you a small discount on your order. It's just beautiful jewelry. I actually talked about this in my video for my holiday gift giving ideas, and it is one of those special treats that I am so thankful that they gave to me. They gifted me with these things, and they have been kind enough to sponsor this section of the video, so thank you so much. I really appreciate that, and this brand has been one of my favorites. The reason why I like it is because, I'll tell you, I'll be honest, so I used to subscribe to a subscription box for jewelry, and I actually have stopped that for a little while, and the reason being was because it was really awesome and fun, but it never lasted. And so jewelry like this, so like I have this necklace right here, and if you go on Instagram, there's a picture of this up close and me wearing it. And these earrings, you know, they're all 24 karat gold. They're gonna last. I literally sleep in this sometimes. I've actually been known to take a shower with this. I get so many compliments on it. The bracelets are my absolute favorite. Again, they are long wearing. They basically are real jewelry, and I was kind of tired of spending so much money on it a month and not getting real jewelry that would turn, like, you know, green the next day or so. So I have really been enjoying this. It's very quality pieces, and I just really appreciate them including me in sending me some goodies. And so this is going to be a great idea if you have somebody special in your life, gal pal or significant other, and you want to buy them some nice jewelry. It's, you know, it's nice jewelry. It's definitely not like, you know, a lower price point, but the price point is well justified because of the high quality of it, but it's not overly priced like luxury prices. It's definitely luxury jewelry for not luxury prices. So go check it out. The link will be in the description box. Again, the link is not affiliate. It just gives you a discount for that. But this is such beautiful jewelry, and I think it'd be a great gift for Valentine's Day or any birthdays that might be coming up. So literally, I live in these. Alright, so this one I've actually been using, and my husband and I have been using. So my third one is this brand, and I hope I'm saying it correctly. It is Necessaire, and this is the body wash. It's the body wash multivitamin, and this is the body lotion multivitamin, and these both are fragrance free. They come in fragrance-free options as well as a couple of their fragrances, but we have a tendency to gravitate towards these. I usually will put this on after my Josie Maran scrub, and what I love about these is they are so anti-aging in ingredients. So they basically have vitamins A, B3, C, E, omega-6, omega-9, and antioxidants. So these are anti-aging body washes and body products in general. My husband really loves this. You only need a very little bit to get a nice cleansing going in the shower. And I absolutely love a Los Angeles-based you know, product line. It comes from my heart. That's where, you know, I'm basically from. I'm from Southern California, but I've really been enjoying these. Very luxurious feeling, very lightweight, and so I've really been enjoying the product overall. They've been generous enough to send those to me. And the one thing I want to tell you is this actually really goes in with our Green, Clean, Healthy Week, but I wanted to give it an update now, or to share it with you now, is this brand only believes in clean ingredients. I love that. This is what they say: using only clean ingredients, Necessaire has reimagined personal care as self-care. We believe personal care. And hey guys, do you notice this is a trend that we talked about coming in, that self-care with body and beauty products is going to be a big trend in 2019? Super excited about that. So they believe in self-care, and the range of products is informed by meticulous research to ensure a level of efficacy and high quality that genuinely supports well-being and health. And they also implement sustainable practices in sourcing and packaging products, and leave behind the lightest footprint. It's something that I've been wearing actually for the past 6 or 7 months, and it's this beautiful Flower Beauty lipstick, and it's a matte lip on this side and then a kind of a gloss on this side, but not like a super shiny gloss. It's in color Honey Nude, and I am obsessed. It is the color, like I said, I have on. I've worn it almost every couple of days. It lives in my purse, and I thought, I've never really talked about this fully. It is such a beautiful product, cruelty-free, great price point, and it would probably look good on almost everybody out there. It'd be a beautiful nude for somebody that has a deeper skin tone too. You guys gotta check this out if you can find. I'll put it in the description box. All right, so for my last 2 products, I want to talk about this, what we just talked about recently, which is the Pyunkang, and it is the Moisture Ampoule. So now I've been using this almost religiously at night as my water sleeping mask, or my sleeping mask at night. The price point is so fantastic, and I've been getting great glowing results in the morning. So my feedback on this is well worth you guys looking into this. All right, so for my last one, I'm going to tell you, I have never really dealt with hair loss, but I get a lot of questions about it. And then all of a sudden, I've been taking biotin now for probably close to a month, and I've been noticing some new hair growth up here, like the small little baby guy starting to grow in. But I've also been noticing, or maybe I'm crazy, but I've been noticing that I think that my hair is thinning around the hairline up here. And so I've been exploring some options regarding that, so I'll keep you posted. But my hairstylist recommended this. This is by a brand called Davines, and this is a cruelty-free brand. This is called an Energizing Thickening Tonic. It's a thickening tonic for scalp and fragile hair, thinning hair, and hair that's prone to falling out. And so what you do is, in towel dried hair, you literally just run it through your scalp and then comb your hair. And I've been only using it for about, I'd say, 2.5 weeks now, but I've really been enjoying it. I feel like it does thicken up the hair shaft and does have this kind of cooling, stimulating effect to the scalp, which I think is very detoxifying and cleansing to promote hair growth. And it really has, I've found, to strengthen the hair. That's also why I've started to go a little bit darker in the roots, because I'm trying not to bleach the roots as much. So if you guys have a problem with thinning hair, I would try this and see if it thickens up that root or thickens up that hair shaft and gives you some more body and volume. I've really been enjoying it. So that's something my hairstylist recommended for me. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed my January favorites, and enjoy February. I love you all so, so much, and I will see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.